How to fix EAFC24 not working on Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. Then go to the Play Store application on your device, and over here on the search bar, just search for Xbox application just to make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, there is no update option available, which means that the app is updated to its latest version on my device. After that, I'm going to go back to the home screen and then make a long press on Xbox and then tap on app info, and it will lead me to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and you'll be able to clear cache, and if it's possible you can clear all data as well. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as camera, files and media, microphone and so on. And after that, go back and you can see your problem will be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.